front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on apps. Now click on app lock over here and tap on password type. Now, if you want to use screen lock, just tap on it and hit turn on. If you want to create privacy password only for your apps, tap on it here and hit turn on to create it. Tap on setup, choose other password and pick the best one for you, custom PIN, password or pattern. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you made a mistake, you can always click on Draw again at the bottom left corner. If you are sure of your privacy password, hit OK. If you wish to add your Xiaomi account, tap on that. If you don't want to do it now, choose Not Now, and then decide if you want to lock all of those apps. If you do, just click on Use App Lock. If you don't, you need to tap on all of them and then check for 0. Now tap on Use App Lock, and to lock any app, tap on the gray switcher right next to it. Then go back to check it out. So when I click on YouTube, I can see that privacy password is now required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same section in your settings, enter your login method you decided to use, and click on the no blue switcher next to any locked app. To disable app lock fully, use this gear at the top right corner and tap on blue switcher next to app lock feature. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!